All origami begins with several simple bases, and my name is Robert Segundo, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the square base or the basic flower base. What we're going to start with a square piece of paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold it. Actually, we're going to do two of the most simplest folds. It's right here, which is just a mountain fold in half like this, which is called a book fold, I believe. I'm going to open it up and do the same thing here, like so. I'm going to open it back up, fold it like so. This is called a sheet fold or shawl fold, or however you want to call it. I've been calling it sheet for all my life, so that's how I know it by, as a sheet fold, like so. Do is we're going to open it up, sheet fold it again, like so. Now, what we have here, as you can see, we've had our paper bisected in many different ways. So what we're going to do is we want our square fold to be this square here. So to get this, what you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper over like this, and then open it back up along that crease line there, and then bring your back to where it forms like that, and it'll basically just almost form itself once you get that fold in. So now that you got that, you're going to do the same thing with this side, and fold it down over, and there you have it. Should look like this when you open it up. It's going to be folded like so, and that is your square base. Play around with it and have fun making your origami.